A waterproof backpack designed for outdoor activities like hiking and mountaineering. With the 35-liter inner space, the backpack is enough to store most items for adventure. Roll down the top and clip the buckles on the sides after the items are loaded. The backpack is made of 500 denier PVC tarpaulin, with a plastic handle and a waterproof pocket on the front to store small items. Seamless welding technology is used in the production, with ergonomic shoulder straps which is breathable and sweat-wicking. The waterproof performance is incredibly strong, ensuring that the gear inside are protected from getting soaked.